Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoPulseJa. I'm going to show you how to run command prompt as administrator automatically. This is a super useful way to perform advanced tasks in CMD where permissions is needed as administrator. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to create a shortcut on the desktop for the CMD. So we're going to right click and then we're going to select new. Then we're going to select shortcut, which is right here. Once we click shortcut, in the box that appears, we're going to type the following. So I'm going to pause a bit so that you can type it in. Once you type this in, you're going to then hit next. Name your shortcut something simple like CMD or command prompt, then click finish. Alright, and as you can see, we now have a shortcut for CMD. Once we double click, we would get the interface for CMD. Now the problem with this is that this is not in administrator mode, so we're going to change that. Alright, so to put it in administrator, we are now going to right click on the shortcut and then we're going to scroll down to properties. Now in the properties window, go to the shortcut tab, click on the advanced button, which is right here. In the advanced properties window, click the box that says run as administrator, and this is what we're using to run administrator as default. So once we click this, now we're going to click OK, then click apply. Then we're going to click the apply, then OK to save the changes. Now what we're going to do now is that we're going to test the shortcut to ensure that it opens in administrator. Alright, let's test it out. We're now going to double click on the shortcut we created, and then you will be greeted with the user account control, and then you just click yes. And now once you click yes here, there you would have it, command prompt running with administrator privilege automatically. And once we click that, as you can see, this is now saying administrator. So there you have it. That's how you would create an CMD prompt that opens automatically in administrator.